What's up, everybody? The wait time has been over. Lamborghini Festival starts today. Welcome to Imperial TV.
Guys, another year at the Lamborghini Festival. You know how we do it. We have to celebrate that life is beautiful, and we have to celebrate about success. And why not doing it with the people that you love the most? And remember the cause. This festival donates to different administrations every year. Like last year, it was Make-A-Wish. So this is a very, very important event that you want to participate, because there's a bigger cause to what is just about having fun, about having successful people come together. It's about also helping the ones that need help. We like to share our blessings with others. So have fun at Lamborghini Festival.
What's up, sexy boy?
Echando el TikTok, papi. Hay que activarnos en la red de la chaviza.
We're here in...
El gorrión está en el nido, el gorrión está en el nido.
No mames, ¿de qué van a Me cagué, you got me bad.
It's my favorite part.
I thought I broke something. I was like, no, fuck, no, please, no. What's up, man? We out here in Houston, Texas, bro. The Woodlands.
Spanish.
Yeah, bro, aquí estamos. Nada. Bien, güey. ¿Qué pedo? ¿Dónde se come aquí o qué?
Tienes un chingo de lugares alrededor.
Ah, o sea, no hay ningún eventillo ahí como de vengan acá, nada, estamos cotorreando.
Cuéntanos, ¿qué te parece el SVJJ?
Está perrísimo, güey. Suena muy idiota. Hasta en primerita leve, así, yendo tranquilo, suelta plomazos. Me gusta como para zonas residenciales, para venir aquí a un lugar callado y calmado para poner el desorden.
¿Qué vas a comprar en Louis Vuitton?
Pues mira, vamos a echar un lente a ver qué hay, pero no creo que nada. La neta.
So we can't take the camera inside. Why? Because of Louis Vuitton's policy. So we have to respect that. I told him that we're gonna go ahead, take the camera down, and that way we can go in. I need to tell Juca that same exact thing. Where's Juca? Oh, he's behind. Hey John, your daughter's shopping for a Louis Vuitton bag. Are you ready? Oh my gosh, she's got it on too. I'm not paying. Maybe for her birthday I will, but not now because I'm not gonna spoil your daughter. I'm gonna take it a step at a time. Step at a time. Alright, so the car is here. Louis Vuitton is here. Tonight's gonna be a great night. Chill out.
Al perro presente, míralo. Gastándose los millones, ve.
Millones.
Parecen bolsas
325.
chicas.
325
Parecen
dólares.
bolsas chicas, pero aquí hay lingotes de oro. Lingotes.
Es para ti.
Gracias, güey.
Vámonos.
Thank you, bro. It's the brand new Escalade. It's not mine.
Ready?
Okay, yeah, we're ready, bro. Bro, 100%, bro.
See you tomorrow.
So far, so good. Just starting to get kicked off, so a little bit light, but looks like the foot traffic's coming in, and yeah, and everything's going to turn out really wonderful today.
How are you, my man?
Good, how are you, man?
Perfect. Tell us
You
about
want
it.
to hear the story, eh? Drove down from Calgary, Alberta, 31 hours. Came down to support, see what's up, you know what I mean? You guys welcomed us with open hands, we're pumped. Bill's been great. A lot of Lambos, we don't see this kind of stuff where we're from, like, it's crazy. Very rare, there's probably a dozen event doors in Calgary, so it's pretty sweet. So,
Thank you for coming.
absolutely appreciate it.
Recognition we'd like to give out is somebody that needs absolutely no introduction. In fact, the other night, last night if you were here in the area, there was a little bit of a frenzy because they thought a Pitbull was here. So apparently Pitbull was live and here at the Louis Vuitton store. But we'd like to recognize our very own Butch Saman with Imperial Collision and Automobile.
Butch is a wonderful supporter. He's an owner of several Lamborghinis, and he owns some other brands we won't mention here today. But you know, an absolutely wonderful guy, positive energy all the time.
I want to say something. Let me say something over here. Belle and Colleen, thank you so much. You impress me every year. You keep the motivation going. I'm a grinder, and I live by saying, never ever give up. And because of you guys, I'm on the grind every day.
Thank you for making this happen. Thank you for making this event one of the best events so far this year, and we're at the end of this year, so doing a great job, guys. Love you guys, and can't wait until the next event. Love you guys.
Thank you so much. We love you guys.
So hot in here. I don't know how the carbon fiber is handling it. Okay, we're good. We'd love to take the top off, but I can't because I don't want to burn out.